want to say a big thank you to the branding team for reaching out to offer me this easy refill perfume system to try. This is a mess-free, fuss-free system, very straightforward. You have the intake nozzle there, and all you would do, you would take your perfume bottle, place it on top and pump, and it would refill. It has this really handy window here, so you can see exactly how much is in there, and this can take up to 130 sprays. It has a very fine mist, so you can get absolutely tons in here and plenty of use out of it. So it's really quite perfect for traveling, or just put into your handbag or your gym bag, for example. You want to take your favorite perfume with you on the go. It is made of aluminium and it is leak proof. It has the really nice ergonomic spray there, so it will spray out a lovely mist. I just think it'd make a really lovely little gift as well. So if you receive that as a Christmas gift or a birthday gift, you'd be really appreciative of it. I think it's absolutely lovely. So you can use it on the plane, you can take it on holiday, keep it in your gym bag. Just really stylish, a lovely little atomizer, and just really good way to fill up your bottle with your perfumes. So thanks again to the branding team for sending this to me to try. I think it's absolutely lovely and it's going to make a lovely addition, and I hope you enjoy it too.